So hey guys, today I bought a whole bunch of stuff from Target and there was no guy in the globe, but I am getting it later. So the first thing I got was glitter. This thing.
Didn't you make one already?
What happened to
this
her
white
sister?
one. She got her.
How?
Then
Ooh,
this
this
gray
stretches. I
one.
never saw somebody that
So we're
stretches.
officially home. Why is that thing? I don't know.
Then
all
I got some
alone?
pink.
Oh yeah, I saw some over there.
My dog's getting the container too. Ready?
Forget me not.
Oh look,
Look, it says forget me not.
Oh look, she has this one and that one.
So then this one, I got some pink. This
Every
pink.
time you on FaceTime with Jelene, the room looks not big, but when I came here,
No, because she
this
put.
is not big.
What happened to this slime?
Cause her room is
What happened
humongous.
to this
Her
slime?
room is
This is not big for you.
her room is
What happened
humongous.
to this slime?
Wait, Jelene. Yeah, I know.
Her room
Like
is
for a
humongous.
girl like this room is not big for
Then I got.
you. Exactly.
Hey, Nady, you want the dark one or the light one? You want the dark one, right?
Yeah. Wait, how do you guys have three beds? The bottom one. Where is the bottom one? What?
Oh.
You're gonna play with the phone one. I'm gonna play with slime. You guys have to put it away.
I'm not doing play with it this time. I'm showing you my sample pies. So this is yours too. Then I got two. Then I got two contact solutions. And she okay. Then I got some whole bunch of glue because there was no guidance glue and I was really mad. But
My stomach was hurting because I have car sick and I really don't feel good.
maybe you're hungry.
No. I wasn't don't play with that on the counter. Me and Liberty.
So then I got some 4 bottles of big glue. We forgot to get we forgot to look for other
Look, I got this concept solution.
That one?
I already opened one.
Twinsas.
I got that one.
You said this was the one that you got.
I got a different one than you guys.
Exactly. Wait, so what about if this doesn't work?
And then you got 3 gallons of glue.
You should try it.
No, she only has one.
Like put it a little bit. Let's try it.
This is pretty.
Can we use your gallon of glue? Oh, okay, yeah. Girl, I'm not wasting my thing.
Now try it. I got some shaving cream.
Why? So I think it does work. It brings a little. It brings a little thingy.
slime at least?
Open it. I'm trying out. I'm trying out and see if the thingy works really quick.
Why?
Give me. Okay. Mix. Mix.
Maybe
Mix.
can we at least take one slime?
No, we could give this to Rinari. Okay, it works.
Yeah, it works.
You know, since we're already making it, let me just add some more.
Yeah, I need some more. Girl, you adding so
Jenny, you have a
much.
sister?
No.
No, not you, the other one. Jenny, you have a sister?
Yeah, a big sister. She's really fat.
Real fat.
We put a lot. You put a lot of shaving cream.
Champagne.
I want to put on my pajamas.
You
already.
made such a small slime and put this in such a small container.
I know, throw
I
it
mean-
away. Throw away all those little containers.
No, we could use them. We could use these containers.
Yeah, we could use them.
So throw away all the slimes in them.
Can we have them?
I want
This is the what container you're gonna put them in.
The containers, I said.
So the slimes that you don't want, the containers that we are gonna have?
No, she said she wants the containers now.
Yeah, what the containers?
She wants the containers. So where are we supposed to put the slime at?
She's not gonna use them today.
No, you're gonna throw them away.
You're gonna throw the slime away?
Yeah.
Why?
Mix them up, and then throw it away.
Yeah. Give me a slime.
That's what we do whenever we don't want a slime. We just
Here.
it goes bye bye. So that's all I got. But for some reason, I think this is to put the contact solution inside.
Maybe I'm not
No, that's what I bought.
Maybe I'm not gonna.
Doesn't have anything.
What?
I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna sleep here like not just one day, but like more than one day.
Girl, I have school.
I don't care.
You wanna come to
My
our school?
beds are so comfortable.
You wanna come to our school, Jeline?
Bro, you guys should feel my parents' bed. Let's go.
Yes. It is so freaking comfortable.
That is what?
You know, we're gonna have some fun today, so you guys are gonna be with me.
I'm just gonna put this slime away.
Let me take off my socks.
Yes, Mingling.
mode.
What happened, English?
¿Qué quieres dormir?
What do you call her?
¿Cuál mate?
English. Here, keep playing. You wanna watch YouTube on this?
I don't have Wi-Fi.
Girl.
I'm gonna be running soon. Let me. Jessica, can you please go to your phone because you have the Wi-Fi and I don't feel like putting it on.
Okay. So bye guys.